Hi, everyone. We are beginning our next kind of 2-week phase in distance learning, and I wanted to give you a little bit of information about the AP because there's a few changes, and you might have read about them. So I'll tell you kind of how it pertains to our class. So first thing is the AP has a little bit less content now. Waves are not on the test, although some harmonic motion is, and circuits are not on the test. And so circuits is kind of our next unit after waves. So we are still going to learn about waves. We're still going to learn about circuits, but it won't be on the AP. And the reason why we're still going to learn about it is because it's really just part of taking a physics class. I don't only prepare you for the AP, I also just prepare you to be a physicist. So we're going to continue with that, but I think it's just nice to know that the content, we don't have to stress about it at that same kind of level. So with that said, we will be having a test in Waves, but I'm going to have it open book, a little more low key than the previous tests because I don't need you to be taking that kind of AP style. It'll be a little bit different. Okay, the other change with the AP is that it is only free response, so no multiple choice. That's probably a good thing. It means that the content, the free response questions will probably still cover all of that content through multiple selections. But you definitely don't want to skip a problem. You just want to show what you know, and we'll work on that. So I want you to know that I will do everything to get you prepared for that. So I will pivot as needed to prepare you for this new AP in the sense of it only being free response. The third thing is that it will be online, and we'll just talk about that too. So I think you'll be totally prepared for the AP. It is open note and open book, but it's always had an equation sheet. It's not going to help you. Do not prepare to like have your book to help you with that. You'll be fine. You won't need it, but it is there just in case there's like something content wise that you need to look up real quick. All right, so that's the AP. What's coming up the next 2 weeks is we're finishing our wave unit, and really it's problem set. So we're going to practice solving problems, and you'll see a few different ways we're doing that. So we meet 3 times over the next 2 weeks. The first day is reviewing your rotation test. Those of you that have already started that, you'll have a little bit less work this first day. All right, let me know if you have questions, book a time, come chat with me. Can't wait to see you, and I hope you're doing something new that you wouldn't normally be able to do.